If you teach private lessons, you already know the hard part isn't the teaching. It's remembering who's paid up, who you owe a makeup, and whether a quiet month means you're actually behind. The private lesson in Tutor Studio Manager keeps all of it in one workbook. It starts with your rate. Enter your overhead and the salary you want to draw, and the Lesson Rate Setup tab works out what an hour of your teaching really costs, plus a recommended price for a 30, 45, or 60-minute lesson. You price with a reason, not a guess. The student roster is the heart of it. Fill each student in once, and the live columns pull straight from your lesson log to show for every student the makeup credits you owe, the lessons left on a package, and the tuition collected and still unpaid. You just log each lesson, mark it attended, canceled with notice, a late cancel, or a no-show, and the workbook does the rest. It credits a makeup when a student cancels in time, spends it when you deliver one, and draws down prepaid packages automatically. The dashboard rolls the whole studio into a few numbers: your active students, your expected monthly income, the tuition you've collected versus what's still outstanding, and the makeup credits you owe. The two balances a notebook always loses, finally in front of you. There's a term and recital planner, too. Lay out your teaching terms and their tuition due dates, and work a ready-made recital checklist so the concert runs on a list instead of a 2-week scramble. And it's a file you own. No monthly subscription, no studio locked inside someone else's app. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, with a one-click Google Sheets copy included. Buy it once, and it's yours. The private lesson and Tutor Studio Manager from Ardent Workshop. Know who's paid up and who's owed a makeup. Find it at ardentworkshop.com. Tools for the modern maker.